Okay, now we're on to exercise 15.2, creating a managed service account. During this exercise, we're going to create and deploy a managed service account, or MSA. This is all found in the Administering Windows Server 2012 R2 Lab Manual in preparation for exam 70-411, part of the Microsoft Official Academic Course series. So we're already logged on to the RWDC, so now we're going to go into Tools and go back into Active Directory Users and Computers and create a group called Server Group. So let's get started. Okay, I had Active Directory Users and Computers open from the previous exercise. So now we want to right-click on the computer's container. So right-click, New. We want to do Group. This is going to be called Server Group. All one word. And then we're going to click on OK. And now inside the computer's container, we're going to right-click Server Group and go into Properties. So left-click, right-click, Properties. Now we want to click on the Members tab. And we want to add Server 1. Alright, so we've clicked on Server 1. We want to click on Object Types. And select Computers. And then OK. Alright, and then click on OK. And then OK. And then we'll go ahead and close out of this. Go back to our server dashboard. Tools. We're going to do Active Directory module for Windows. PowerShell. There we go. Okay, so we typed in add dash KDS root key space dash effective time parentheses get dash date end parentheses space period add hours parentheses -10 end your parentheses and then end the final parentheses. Now we'll click on enter and see if that worked. No. Means I did something wrong. And sometimes it's hard to tell where the spaces go here. There you go. All right, so we simply removed the space and now it worked. Go into my Hyper-V and log into server 1. Okay, now it's logged in. Let's go to manage, add rules and features. Next, we want to add directory domain services. Add. Next. And install. Okay, so we're going to do this a little bit at a time. First thing we're going to do is we're going to do add -AD per Active Directory computer service account. This is a commandlet. Now we're going to do enter. You'll see it pulls up identity. Well, the identity is going to be server 01. Then we're going to do enter, and service account is going to be app2 service. Enter. Okay, now we're going to minimize this and go back into server 1, which has added Active Directory domain services. And we want to go back into PowerShell on this one. There we go. Now here we're going to type in our commandlet again. Enter. Okay, now the identity is going to be server 01. Our service account is going to be app2 service. Now we're going to go back to the server manager and go into tools and click on the services console. And then we want to double click the SMMP trap service. And then we want to click on the Logon tab. And we want to select this account option and then type in Contoso. Clear the passwords. And then we're going to click on OK. Put in our password. Press one more time. Okay. And that is the end of this exercise and the end of this video. The next exercise we'll look at is 15.3, which is using virtual accounts.